Guys, we had to make a stop because while passing this, it was like super cheap, so we had to check this place out. Look at this, guys. $5 cow beef plates. How good is it, Kristen? It's pretty good. What's up, everybody? It's your homeboy James back at it again with another vlog, and I'm joined by here with Kristen and this guy right over here.
Robbie B from Florida.
Okay, Kristen, where are we at right now?
Waihe'e Falls.
Waihe'e Falls, and what? This is one of your favorite falls?
Yeah, it's dope.
It's chug it! So guys, we just got done with the hike, and what do you thought about the hike so far?
It's fucking epic, you know.
It was an epic hike.
Yeah, it's just.
And guys, this was one of Kristen's top picks.
Yes.
Kristen top pick.
Yes.
Kristen top pick.
Kristen top pick.
Kristen's top picks. So right now, guys, we're about to head into the car and drive and watch sunset right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog today. Pretty much we had an awesome day today. We did the waterfall hike, and also now we ended with watching sunset here at Chinaman's Hat. If you guys like this vlog, please hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. And guys, thank you guys for watching. Until the next time guys, live aloha. Peace the fuck out.